Dilophosaurus. The name alone conjures up images of a fearsome predator, perhaps with a frilly neck and venomous spit, thanks to its memorable portrayal in the movie Jurassic Park. But how much of that image is based on reality? Dilophosaurus, meaning two-crested lizard, was a fascinating dinosaur with a story much richer than its Hollywood depiction. This essay will delve into the world of Dilophosaurus, exploring its discovery, anatomy, behavior, and its rightful place in the grand narrative of dinosaur evolution. Prepare to journey back to the early Jurassic period, a time when dinosaurs were just beginning their reign as the dominant land animals. Our destination, a world where Dilophosaurus stalked its prey, its double crests proudly on display. Along the way, we'll separate fact from fiction, replacing cinematic myths with scientific evidence to reveal the true nature of this remarkable creature. The story of Dilophosaurus begins with its discovery in the early 1940s in Arizona. Paleontologists were thrilled to uncover such a unique specimen. The most striking feature of Dilophosaurus is undoubtedly its two crests, which have sparked much debate among scientists. Were they used for display, thermoregulation, or perhaps even combat? While Hollywood depicted it as a venom-spitting creature, there is no scientific evidence to support this. Instead, it was likely a swift and agile predator, using its speed and sharp teeth to catch prey. Anatomically, Dilophosaurus was a medium-sized theropod, measuring about 20 feet in length. Its lightweight build suggests it was a fast runner, capable of chasing down smaller dinosaurs and other prey. The early Jurassic period was a time of significant evolutionary change. Dinosaurs were diversifying and ecosystems were becoming more complex. Dilophosaurus played a crucial role in this dynamic environment. Modern research continues to uncover new insights about Dilophosaurus. Advanced technologies like CT scanning and 3D modeling allow scientists to study its fossils in unprecedented detail, revealing more about its biology and behavior. Museums around the world now feature Dilophosaurus in their exhibits, educating the public about this fascinating creature. These displays help bridge the gap between scientific research and public understanding. Educational programs and documentaries further spread knowledge about Dilophosaurus, ensuring that its true story reaches a wide audience. By separating fact from fiction, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of our prehistoric past. Despite the myths perpetuated by movies, the real Dilophosaurus remains an iconic figure in popular culture. Its unique appearance and intriguing history continue to captivate the imagination of people of all ages. As we conclude our journey, we leave with a richer understanding of Dilophosaurus. This two-crested lizard was more than just a movie monster. It was a remarkable creature that once roamed our planet, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire and educate. Our story begins in 1940, in the sun-baked Badlands of northern Arizona. This region, known for its harsh and arid landscape, has long been a treasure trove for paleontologists seeking to uncover the secrets of the distant past. The rugged terrain, with its layers of sedimentary rock, holds within it the remnants of creatures that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Paleontologist Samuel P. Wells was leading an expedition in search of fossils from the early dinosaurs. His team, equipped with basic tools and a passion for discovery, scoured the landscape, hoping to find evidence of prehistoric life. The work was grueling, the sun relentless, but the promise of unearthing something extraordinary kept their spirits high. Little did he know he was about to make a significant discovery. As the team meticulously sifted through the dirt and rock, they began to uncover fragments of bone that hinted at something remarkable. The excitement grew with each new piece, the realization dawning that they were on the verge of a groundbreaking find. Wells stumbled upon a collection of bones that would change our understanding of dinosaur evolution. These bones, though fragmented and weathered by time, told a story of a creature that had once roamed this very land. The discovery was not just a collection of bones, it was a window into a world long gone. These bones belonged to a creature unlike any seen before, a dinosaur that defied the expectations of the time. The unique structure of the bones suggested a new species, one that would challenge existing theories and spark new lines of inquiry in the field of paleontology. A dinosaur with a distinctive double crest on its skull. This feature was unlike anything previously documented, setting this dinosaur apart from its contemporaries. The double crest, a striking and unusual characteristic, would become the defining feature of this new species.
Initially, Wells believed he had found a new species of Megalosaurus, a large carnivorous dinosaur already known from fossils found in England. The similarities in the skeletal structure led him to this initial conclusion, but the unique features of the bones hinted at something more. A large carnivorous dinosaur already known from fossils found in England. Megalosaurus was one of the first dinosaurs to be scientifically described, and its discovery had already made waves in the scientific community. However, the Arizona fossils presented a puzzle that did not quite fit the known profile of Megalosaurus. However, further study revealed that the Arizona dinosaur was something entirely different. Detailed analysis of the bones, including the distinctive double crest, led to the realization that this was a new species altogether. The discovery required a re-evaluation of existing classifications and opened up new avenues for research. In 1970, Wells published his findings, formally naming the new dinosaur Dilophosaurus weatherilli. The publication of his research was a milestone, marking the official recognition of this new species. The name Dilophosaurus, meaning two-crested lizard, perfectly captured the unique feature that set this dinosaur apart. The species name honored John Wetherill, a Navajo councilman who had befriended Wells and helped him navigate the reservation where the fossils were discovered. Wetherill's assistance was invaluable, providing local knowledge and support that was crucial to the success of the expedition. The naming of the species was a fitting tribute to his contributions and the collaborative spirit of the discovery.
The most striking feature of Dilophosaurus was undoubtedly its double crest. These crests were not just simple adornments but were a defining characteristic that set this dinosaur apart from others of its time. These thin, crescent-shaped crests ran along the top of its skull, starting above the nostrils and extending back over the eyes. They were quite prominent and gave the Dilophosaurus a unique and somewhat majestic appearance. The crests were formed by extensions of the nasal and lacrimal bones, and they were quite delicate, likely too fragile for use in combat. This fragility suggests that the crests had a purpose other than physical confrontation.
The exact purpose of these crests remains a mystery. Despite extensive research and numerous theories, paleontologists have yet to reach a consensus on their function. Some paleontologists believe they may have served a visual signaling function. This theory suggests that the crests could have been used to communicate with other members of the species. The crests could have been brightly colored, used to attract mates, intimidate rivals, or even recognize members of the same species. The idea of colorful crests is supported by comparisons to modern-day birds and reptiles, which often use bright colors for similar purposes. In social interactions, these crests could have played a crucial role. They might have helped Dilophosaurus establish dominance within a group, or deter potential threats without resorting to physical violence. Others suggest the crests may have played a role in thermoregulation, helping to regulate the dinosaur's body temperature. In the hot climates of the early Jurassic, such a feature could have been vital for survival. Whatever their purpose, the double crests of Dilophosaurus made it one of the most recognizable and fascinating dinosaurs of the early Jurassic. These crests continue to captivate scientists and dinosaur enthusiasts alike, as they symbolize the mystery and beauty of prehistoric life. The Dilophosaurus, with its distinctive crests, remains a subject of ongoing research and fascination, reminding us of the diverse and complex world that existed millions of years ago.
Dilophosaurus lived during the early Jurassic period, approximately 193 million years ago. This was a time of significant change on Earth. The supercontinent Pangaea was beginning to break apart, and the climate was becoming warmer and more humid.
Lush forests and fern-filled meadows covered the land, providing ample habitat for a diverse array of dinosaurs. Dilophosaurus was a formidable predator in this prehistoric world. It measured about 7 meters or 23 feet in length, making it one of the largest land animals of its time.
Its powerful legs and sharp serrated teeth suggest it was an active hunter, capable of bringing down prey much larger than itself. Its diet likely consisted of small to medium-sized dinosaurs, as well as other animals like lizards and early mammals. While fossil evidence directly related to Dilophosaurus behavior is limited, some clues suggest these dinosaurs may have been social creatures. For instance, several Dilophosaurus skeletons have been found together in bone beds. These bone beds could indicate that Dilophosaurus lived in groups, perhaps even hunting together.
The double crests, too, provide tantalizing hints about social behavior. If the crests were indeed used for display, it suggests that Dilophosaurus engaged in complex social interactions, perhaps involving elaborate courtship rituals or dominance displays. However, without further fossil evidence, these interpretations remain speculative. More research is needed to unravel the mysteries of Dilophosaurus' social behavior.